Hey, welcome to the last episode of me trying to start my own Depop shop with $100. Today we are going to be listing the items and we will be packaging items. Spoiler alert, we got 2 sales. So yeah, sit down, relax, and if you haven't seen the other ones, go watch those first and then come back. Okay, right here I have all the prices of the items when I bought them, and today I'm just going to be listing them. So let's do it. Okay, so I have my 4 pictures. I'm just gonna put this one here. And yeah, so what I want to do is I want to take like a blue and a pink maybe, and then I'm gonna find emojis that go with that. Then I want to put the title of it in all caps, so smiley bleach, if I know how to spell, headband, and then I want to copy these emojis. Okay, and then underneath I'll add descriptions like smiley faces painted on with bleach. And then I like to choose a category. It's women's accessories, and then a subcategory, it's a headband, so hair accessories. And then I don't know the brand, I got it from Walmart and then I painted on it. And then quantity 1, item price, let's see. And we're just gonna go for it. Ready, set, go. And yeah, that's what it looks like so far. So now I'm just going to do a couple more and then I'll come back and I'll show you guys. We're exposing Freckledlaur. Why? I'm working on Depop. Like I said I was. We're exposing Freckledlaur. She posted a TikTok that she didn't want anybody to see. She almost got into a scandal. Cancelled. Bye. Okay, so hi. It's been a couple hours later, just like an hour and a half, and I did upload everything to my Depop right now. And I want to tell you guys now that I have one order. I got that order within like 20 minutes of me uploading it, and another one being put on hold for somebody, and I think that is so cool. Yeah, but let me just show you guys really quick. You guys should go check it out. Look at that. That looks so cool. I already have like 2 messages, and yes, this is so cool. But yeah. Hello. So this is episode 3. You already saw me listing the items. Within 1 day of listing them, I got 2 packages I need to order, which are these retro sunglasses. I'm kind of sad that they have to go, but I'm happy that this is working out. And even though it was just sunglasses, hopefully we'll be continuing. So the ending of this series, I'm going to be showing you me and how I package these items. Disclaimer, I know that I shouldn't be using like plastic bags because we're saving the earth and everything, but this is my first time packaging and I'm new to this. So I'm gonna get some cleaning products and I'm gonna just clean off the glasses to make sure that they're super extra ultra clean. Okay, so I got the Clorox disinfecting wipes and I'm just going to clean those off really quickly. And I just washed my face before I was cleaning these, so my hands are clean too. Okay, let me clean the other one and I'll be right back. So we have both of them disinfected, and here's my little stack. This is my thank you card, and then these are my business cards, and they're obviously not the best quality, but I designed them myself. So yes, first we're gonna take these. These are the plastic bags that I have. Perfect. Boom. And I bought 2 different types of bags, so I think today we're gonna do 1 of each. So let's use this one. I probably should have gotten smaller bags, but I'm also selling clothes, so I was like keeping those in mind. So I'm gonna just put this in here. I'm gonna put my thank you card in here. Here it just says Freckledlaur, providing all your thrifting needs, and then it says no wasting time because life is too short, you cannot be wasting time. So then next I have this, it's a thank you card that I designed by myself, and then I'm gonna write a little message to the person, and then on the back I put thank you. So here's me writing their message. So I have finished the card. It's super cute. I wrote her a personalized message and gave her all my social medias, and yeah. And then the next step is for me to write down my address and her address on a piece of paper, and then the post office will do the rest. So let me do that. Alright, so I cut my papers out, but first, before I close this bag, I saw somebody on TikTok like spray perfume inside the bag, and I kind of want to do that. This is my favorite perfume ever. It's called Sweet Pink. I got it at Five Below. Okay, now it smells all nice. Okay, so we're gonna fold it in half and we're gonna close it up. This is so exciting. Close, it's done. Okay, and then on here is where I'm going to be taping the addresses. Okay, so basically the addresses are on the back. So I'm going to place this here, and then I'm going to take down packaging tape, and then the post office will do the rest. But I don't have the packing tape with me. Let me finish the second package, and then we'll go from there. Okay, so hi, I have this one done. So here are my two packages, and I have both of their things. And yeah, so now the next step is to go to the post office. So I will tell you guys when I'm at the post office. Hello, so I am here at the post office, and I have my two packages. I have the addresses and everything on the front, and yeah, so since these are super light, hopefully the shipping isn't too bad. Okay, so I'm gonna go inside and then I'll give you guys an update. Okay, so I got done with the post office, wore my mask, and yeah, each one was like $3 and something cents for shipping, so it's not terrible. But yeah, so this is the last episode. I hope you guys enjoyed this series. It was actually really fun, and I actually just got another message about an item right now. So yes, I hope that I keep growing with this because this is really fun. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and comment and check out the rest of my videos because I think that they're pretty cool, and you might as well subscribe because it's a fun time here. And yeah, okay, bye.